cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. What are you cooking tonight for your dinner? Tonight, Appa is going to do, I have a very nice ikan bawal here, prawn frit, black prawn frit. After you pan fry, super fragrant. So I'm going to pan fry and then I'm going to make it into masak tiga rasa. Yeah, masak tiga rasa is a very commonly found way of cooking this prawn frit at the local Malay store. So let's very quickly take a look at the ingredient. I have maybe this is about 300-400 grams of black prawn frit here, washed and also marinated with a little bit of salt and make few slits on the body of the fish. Then I have some yellow onion, red chili, tomato, and cucumber. Right? You can use any veggie, any veggie that you like to your creative, no problem. So, and then we have some garlic, ginger, and also shallot, and some fresh coriander as well. And I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken powder for this dish to enhance the flavor. So we are going to fry the fish, make the tiga rasa sauce. Always make sure you use a kitchen towel to pat your fish dry. Yeah, take away all the water so that later it will not splatter so easily inside the oil. Yeah, dry up. So as you start seeing some smoke coming out from your oil, then you can slowly use a long spatula to help you to put in the fish. After you put in the fish, continue using medium-high heat to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes before you flip it over. You don't have to keep on turning it, yeah? This is after the first 2 minutes. Use a long spatula to help you flip it over. And we give the other side another 2 minutes. Basically, this fish you can, this side of fish you can probably fry plus minus about 5 to 6 minutes. I will see how later because I want it to be more garring a bit. So yeah, you decide for yourself. Plus minus 5 or 6 minutes actually should be enough. Right, this is after approximately 6 minutes. Approximately 2 to 3 minutes each side. Put the fish over, push it to the side, let the oil render out, and put it on top of an oil absorbing paper. Let's heat up a little bit of oil. Then you want to saute your ginger, shallot, and also garlic. Right, this is after about 1-2 minutes sauteing. Now we can actually put in oyster sauce and tomato sauce. This is approximately 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce with 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Always saute your tomato sauce so that you can actually bring the color out. The reddish color, yeah? See, the oil already started to turn orangey. Next thing, we can actually add in some hot water, 1 bowl of hot water here. You can add in some dark soy sauce for the color. Some light soy sauce. A little bit of fish sauce. Some salt. And some sugar. I'll give it a little bit of my Cooking Appa chicken powder as well, where you can actually get it from Shopee Singapore or Malaysia. Next thing, all this veggie. Once it is boiling, allow it to boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, then it is done. Right, once the sauce is ready, you will just pour on top of it. And we shall garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. Done. This is Cooking Appa's fried bawal, fried pomfret fish, tiga rasa. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.